This video is sponsored by Bokksu. A box has just arrived in the mail for me. I'm really excited because they are premium Japanese snacks by the company Bokksu. Kindly, Bokksu is sponsoring this video today. Bokksu is a monthly subscription box that comes straight from Japan to your door. It carries different themes throughout the year and showcases snacks from different regions in Japan. You can get 10% off from your purchase from Bokksu using the link and code in the description below. If you do order, please use my code so that Bokksu knows that I sent you over and so that they can keep working with me. Alright, now time to eat. As we know, I do live in Japan for about 7.5 years now. I often like to snack a lot. I think last year I did a Japanese snacks video, and it's just exciting to know that there's a company that can kind of select these Japanese snacks for you and send them straight to your door. Celebrate Otsukimi. This is a limited edition box. Take part in this centuries-old celebration known as Otsukimi, or moon viewing. Let me just show you what I first see when I open the box. It looks like this. Since my early days of living in Japan, I've loved discovering delicious snacks from local Japanese snack makers, which is why I'm thrilled to present to you this first curated box around the culturally rich regions and seasons of Japan. I've always seen like online people trying out boxes, and I've never had these before, so I'm actually kind of excited and a little bit overwhelmed because it's like, whoa, okay, I have no idea what to expect here. Tells you about Bokksu, and then there's like all about the different seasons in Japan. So yeah, this includes all the snacks, and okay, let's just get into it. This is crazy. This is so cool. There are a lot of snacks here. Okay, wow. I don't even know. Okay, I know what I'm gonna start with. This says something senbei. First of all, I love senbei. Senbei are rice crackers. It's an obsession of mine. I love them. You get the desired snack, and I guess we're gonna read about it. Edamame senbei. Made with summer harvested edamame bits baked into the cracker, this senbei is sprinkled with Kinako, roasted soybean powder, and has a delicious nutty crunch. I love how it says here, like, if there's some sort of allergies. I don't know why, but does anyone else have that? I have to sniff things before I eat it. It definitely smells, I can definitely smell the roasted. You can see that there is the little powder. Itadakimasu. Okay, that was just a whole experience. First of all, very crunchy. So as you're biting into the senbei, you can definitely taste the edamame. I really do like the roasted flavor of it. Okay, so something that I've noticed about Bokksu that is actually quite interesting is that you get at least 2 of each snacks. You can share it with your partner, your sister, your roommate, your housemate, your family. Interesting. So we have here pear fromage biscuit. 20th century pear langue de chat. Is that how it's called? This delicate biscuit is a luxurious blend of 20th century Asian pear, rich cheese, and a decadent white chocolate. I really love the descriptions, by the way. Let's open it. Definitely sweet. So it's a very thin biscuit, the very thin layer of the rich cheese. Itadakimasu. The chocolate and the flavor is something else. It actually melts in your mouth. I can really imagine this being nice with like a little breakfast tea, a little coffee. It's kind of like Christmas, you know, like I'm going in the box and like I have no idea what is waiting for me. Okay, let's do this. Funwari Meijin Mochi Puffs. Kinako flavored. Ichigo Seika transforms mochi into the crisp and airy texture of this cloud-like confection using a secret proprietary process. I really love Kinako. This literally evaporated in my mouth, like literally, very soft and airy. You know, the way that they're so light, you almost kind of don't feel guilty for eating this as a snack because it's so light that it's like air. This box can pack so much. And I can see that under this layer, there's another layer. It doesn't even feel that heavy. Oh, okay. We have ourselves a little tea bag. This green tea comes from Ashigara district of Hakone. I think we need to brew this. So here's my little brewed tea. This is how the tea came out looking post brewing. It is definitely such a pretty color. Ikaori. Oh, that's very nice. I did leave it in only for 40 seconds, which is what they recommended here. It is a tiny bit bitter. It's very light. Ooh. The character's name is called Kumamon, and the snack is from Kumamoto. By roasting almonds and sesame seeds and mixing them by hand with sugar syrup. Itadakimasu. It is 100% a nutty snack. As you can see, like, it's really just almonds and seeds really compressed together. It's crunchy. You can taste and smell the aroma as well of the almonds because they have roasted it. This is dondonyaki, named after the sound of the beaten taiko drums heard throughout festivals in Japan. These savory senbei are fried and marinated in tonkatsu sauce. Itadakimasu. This is a flavor that made me fall in love with Japanese cuisine. Tangy, peppery, and a little sweet. Again, senbei, it's very light, it's very airy, but very crunchy. And I think maybe overall that's why I like senbei. Oh my God. This is my favorite snack, and it's also Ami's favorite snack. We are obsessed with it. So this can come in two forms. You can have it as a round chip, or you can have it as like the stick fries. Kind of like a tangy Japanese plum flavor. On the outside of these little fries, there is a coating of this flavor. Seaweed Tempura. These addictive seaweed sheets are battered, fried, and flavored with native Japanese sudachi citrus. That looks really nice. There's definitely a little tingling feeling coming from it because it is the citrus fruit sudachi. So we have a matcha chocolate stick cake. Pairing earthy matcha with bittersweet chocolate chips gives this cake a rich, subtle, sweet flavor. Itadakimasu. Oh, that's so soft. The aroma is so nice as well. Matcha aroma. Okay, this is white strawberry. This is the world's first chocolate-infused strawberry. That's actually very interesting. This is crazy. It's freeze-dried and the chocolate is infused. This is the Aomori apple caramel. This cookie uses apples exclusively from Aomori, Japan's apple prefecture. Oh, that smells really nice. That's how soft it is in the inside. And I really love the aroma of apple caramel. I don't know why, but it's reminded me of Disney. But it's incredible. It's incredible how much snacks fit inside this box by Bokksu. If you want to purchase your first Bokksu, I have a link in the description below that does give you a discount. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!